we are doing pizza. A fruit pizza, a s'mores pizza, and a suhoor paratha. Which one do you want to make?
S'mores.
Do you see what we have here?
They're kiwi, but they're different colors.
See how we've got some bubbles going here? Because we've been doing this really slowly. So I'm just gonna turn it over and we're gonna let this other side cook. So what we'll do is you wanna put all your chocolate chips on here. We're gonna let it melt. We're gonna spread it with a spoon.
Okay.
Then you're gonna break up pieces of graham crackers and just put that there and then put on as many halal marshmallows as you like.
Okay.
What I am going to do is I am going to do my fruit pizza. Now I'm gonna do my Nutella and you can put as much as you like. So next what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add my kiwis on here.
I'm gonna make my s'mores colorful with some M&Ms.
Okay. It's really whatever you like. Oh, I love raspberries. Next, can I steal some of your chocolate chips?
Yeah, sure.
Right, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna crush this up.
Okay, and then I also have some pineapple here. You know, I like pineapple on my savory pizza as well. I'm gonna make it a little bit unhealthy by putting some M&Ms on here, but a little bit of M&Ms not gonna hurt. So I got my fruit one ready. You're still working on that. In the meantime, I am gonna work on a savory pizza as well. So for the savory pizza, I have some pizza sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of the sauce on top. Do you like bell peppers?
Yeah, I do. But
Yeah. Not like a whole lot, but just a little bit. Yeah,
I
me
like
too.
them chopped up a little small.
Yeah, you know, I'm older and I like everything bigger.
Okay.
So I did some bell peppers. Now I'm gonna do my favorite. I love green olives, just absolutely love green olives. I am also going to do some banana peppers. Now the banana peppers adds a little bit of acidity in there. It tastes really, really good. And I know I'm forgetting one. Oh, the pineapple. Can't forget pineapple on this pizza. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add my my cheese. We're gonna stick this in the oven, and once it gets done, we can get into it. Now I want to make a pizza that's gonna be more of a suhoor item. So let's go ahead. We're gonna make an egg.
A little bit of salt and pepper.
I'm just gonna add just a little bit of olive oil in here. That looks great. So what I'm gonna do now is we're just gonna shake this up a little bit. Ooh.
It looks good.
And you don't wanna cook your egg too much. This is done. We're just gonna turn this off. Now, because our egg is really nice and hot, you can add the cheese and it's gonna melt on its own. So you could either just cut this in squares and just eat it that way, but I'll show you how I like to eat it. So what we're gonna do now is we're just going to make a roll. So now we have a roll. It's very easy to eat it. You know, you're on the go, good for school lunches, good for suhoor, good for anything. So you just take it and you just take a bite. So let's go ahead and take out all our pizzas that we made.
Okay.
All right. So look at how many things we can do with the paratha.
It's so mind-blowing.
There are so many different variations that we can do with a paratha pizza.
It's like so amazing. Like one thing, and then you can do like
Exactly.
thousands.
And then I do have some chocolate, white chocolate that I thought would be super yummy to just add it on top of our fruit pizza. Look at that.
That's going
All
to
right.
be very
Yep.
good. Let's dig in.
This is really good.
Yes.
No, I cannot watch it. I cannot watch it. I cannot.